ए रसूले आमी खातमल मुरसली तुझसा कोई नहीं, तुझसा कोई नहीं है अकीदा ये अपना बसिद को यकीन तुझसा कोई नहीं, तुझसा कोई नहीं.
Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, taking proper care of one's health is a right of the body. It is narrated in Tabarani and Tirmidhi that Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, his stomach and his chest were in line. This reflects his fit health. Health is the product of healthy habits, and in today's video we are going to explore the healthy habits of our beloved Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. If we want to have a productive day, it's best to wake up early in the morning. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam made a special dua for his ummah. He asked Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Ya Allah, bless my ummah in the early mornings. And if we want to wake up early, we need to try and sleep early too. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "At-tahuru shatrul iman." Cleanliness is part of faith. This would include wudu, ghusl, dental hygiene, clipping our nails, maybe using a deodorant, and also keeping our environment clean as well. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was a fit and active person. He used to encourage to walk and to race. He used to race with his wife, Aisha radiallahu anha. When she was young, they had a race. Our mother Aisha radiallahu anha, she won. And later on, she put on some weight, and they had another race. And this time Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam won. He used to encourage the Sahaba and the children to do different activities such as camel riding, horse riding, swimming, and archery. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to love meat. One of his favorite dish was a-tharid, but that does not mean he consumed meat on daily basis like many of us. In UK in 2021, the number of sheep slaughtered according to halal methods was 71%. So that's saying something about Muslim consumption of meat. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam's diet included dates, water, pumpkins, cucumber, milk, fruits and vegetables and meat. Our mother Aisha radiallahu anha told us that for 2 months they did not have any solid food to cook. So they were living on dates and water, and sometimes they would get milk and they would consume that. So just because we have a favorite food does not mean we should eat that favorite food every single day. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has commanded us in the Quran, فَكُلُوا مِمَّا رَزَقَكُمُ اللَّهُ حَلَالًا طَيِّبًا. So eat from the good, lawful things which Allah has provided for you. So Allah is commanding us to make sure that our food, it is halal and it is tayyib. We pay a lot of attention to halal, but we also need to pay attention to ensure our food is tayyib. What is tayyib? Tayyib is wholesome and pure food. Under this would come organic food. Organic food has lots of benefits. It is not genetically modified, better for the environment, free from pesticides and other chemicals, and organic meat is free from antibiotics. It is expensive, and it is also difficult to find all kind of fruits and vegetations which are organic, but we should strive to eat as much organic as possible, especially when it comes to fruits. Also, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us in the Quran, Ya bani Adam, خذوا زينتكم عند كل مسجد وكلوا واشربوا ولا تسرفوا إنه لا يحب المسرفين. O children of Adam, dress properly whenever you are at worship. Eat and drink, but do not waste. Surely he does not like the wasteful. So we need to make sure we don't waste our food. In a hadith, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "You will be asked about your blessings." One blessing he mentioned was a glass of cold water on a hot day. The people of Gaza would understand this blessing more than me or you. When Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam drank water, he told us, take a sip, then take a breath, then take a sip, and then take a breath. It's important that we give ourselves some space to breathe and we do not drink all in one go. That is very unhealthy. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us when it comes to eating food, we should divide our stomach into 3 parts. One part is for food, second part it's for water, and the third part for air, so we can breathe in and breathe out easily. We should not overeat or undereat. Both are unhealthy. Once a practitioner went to Medina. He stayed there for a year and a half, and he realized he had no patience. And then he came to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and he said, "I don't have any patience to treat here." And Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, he said, "We are people who do not eat until we are hungry, and when we eat, we do not overeat." This response reflects the relationship between diet and health. Health and fitness, it's not all about eating healthy and exercising. It's very strongly connected to our mental health as well. One way of relaxing is to incorporate some sort of artistic and creative habits. I like reading, and more recently I've started painting, and this helps to relax me. So I would suggest, if you have any artistic habits, incorporate them in your daily life and relax your mind, and that will inshallah benefit your health too.